only been half a year since the release of the OnePlus 5T, and to the dismay of many OnePlus users, it has already been replaced. Every 6 months the latest OnePlus device generates a lot of buzz and excitement, and this year was no different. When you purchase this device, it comes in this clean white box with the name of the phone on one side and the 4 words which perfectly describe it. Aside from the handset itself, the package includes a sheet of OnePlus and Never Settle stickers, a safety information booklet, and an information guide. A translucent rubber case is also included in the box along with the charging adapter and a USB Type-C cable. Earphones are not included in the box. Now that we have cleared out all the contents of the box, let's talk about the OnePlus 6 and address the insane specs it packs. The base model comes with the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor, 64GB of storage and 6GB of RAM, which is pretty good on its own, but for an extra 5000 rupees, you get double the storage and 2 more gigs of RAM, so slowdowns are definitely out of the equation. This is the 7th iteration of the flagship killer, and it finally makes the switch to a beautiful all-glass body just like the OnePlus X. However, maybe due to cost-cutting measures, there is no wireless charging provided. As the color mirror black suggests, the back is very reflective. You can also get it in the relatively subtle midnight black or in bright silk white. OnePlus has opted for the latest trend in smartphones this year, the dreaded and lambasted notch. Ever since it appeared on the iPhone X, many people including myself have not been too fond of it. Fortunately, you can hide it and it blends really well without being an eyesore, thanks to the beautiful, bright and vibrant LED screen. Unlike most manufacturers, OnePlus has opted for a full HD screen to keep the price down, but it is no slouch and puts less strain on the average sized 3300 mAh battery. The UI is running Android 8.1 out of the box, and it is the perfect mix of vanilla Android and customizability. You can register gestures for simple tasks, eliminate the navigation bar entirely with gestures, change the look of the icons, and so much more. The dual camera setup is a staple ingredient in this year's line of smartphones, and the OnePlus 6 does it as well, but a bit differently. Usually the second lens in a smartphone is a telephoto lens or in some cases a wide-angle lens. However, this uses it for portrait pictures. This is a different and interesting take on the multiple lens format. Video shooting has been bumped up to 4K at 60 frames per second and slow motion recording at 1080p at 240 frames per second and 720p at 480 frames per second. The camera also comes with a Pro mode for manual shooting, and the camera interface is clean and similar to the iPhone's camera interface. Just like the previous model, this comes with face unlock and a fingerprint sensor, so you're getting the best of both worlds. The speed of the face unlock and fingerprint detection is on a whole new level and has worked flawlessly every time I use them. Another neat feature which I wish to see on more smartphones is the alert slider, which is a simple way to switch between ring, vibration and silent mode. I also appreciate the inclusion of the OnePlus community app, where users can discuss the various issues they are facing on their devices. Since I've used the OnePlus 6 for only 2 to 3 days, there is so much more to explore, such as the battery life, the camera quality, the UI experience, and how it fares on a daily basis. This is the first OnePlus device I have ever used, and thus I am very excited to learn more about it. I'll be posting a review in a few weeks, so if you don't want to miss that, subscribe to my channel. Meanwhile, check out my other videos appearing on the screen. Leave your opinions on the OnePlus 6 in the comments below, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon.